I have a survival kit by Hihegd. Now, first and foremost, it is a pretty densely packed survival kit, and it is about the size of my face, sort of. Along the sides here, you just have some webbing that is sewn down 3 times, so that way it creates loops that you can hook tools onto, like a knife, for example. Meanwhile, you also have just some soft Velcro that is sewn along the lines here that you can also attach these like 2 patches onto, just like that. Meanwhile, you also have several different webbings on top for security, and as well as a loop here that you can hang stuff onto, as well as plastic loops that you can hook it onto something, as well as loops on the back here that are connected with a button. You also have this additional attachment here. It is a buckle that is easy. You can easily take apart and put back together, and they are sewn down with a box stitch webbing. So that way it is very firmly on there and it is not going to go anywhere. It is held together with a zipper that completely unzips almost all the way around on 3 sides. So it just opens up kind of like a book. And inside you have several different stuff. So here you have like an emergency shelter here in this plastic bag, as well as several different like barrier encasings. You have a little place, a plastic container where you can put your phone to protect it against water, plastic gloves. I'm assuming kind of something to cover you. You have a camping lamp here. Here I am unpacking this camping lamp. And be aware that you will need to put batteries inside of it for it to work. Meanwhile, you also have several more tools like this all-in-one toolkit that on one side functions as a hatchet, on the other side like a hammer. When you want to use it, squeeze down on this handle here and unlatch it. Now it will open up so you can crack several different things, and it also has several different knives located on the inside as well. It has matches, roping, you have a triangular bandage, a heavy-duty pen, and as well as several other buckles, glow sticks, and so on and so forth. It's all just very firmly packed together on the inside of this box. See, you have another flashlight. Again, you're probably going to have to put more batteries on inside it. So just be aware of that when you do get the survival package, that it does not come with batteries. All right, this was given to us as a sample. Bye.